Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we need an N8N account. So go ahead and log into your N8N account or create an account. From here, we need to go ahead and click on create workflow. Now, once we're on the next page, we can give this workflow a name. So I'm just going to call this Discord. From here in the middle of the page, it's going to say add first step. So click on that plus icon. And then what triggers this workflow? A trigger is a step that starts your workflow. So if we can search nodes here, so I want to type in Discord. Here it is here. I'm going to click onto it. Now on this little pop-up, we can do a few things. So we got triggers on schedule or a webhook call, or we got actions. So we can create channel, delete channel, get a channel. Got message actions or member actions. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click onto create a channel. Now from here where it says credentials for Discord bot API, I want to go ahead and click onto that and then click on create new credential. So now if we're going to connect the bot to this, we need that bot token. So go ahead and put in that bot token. Then from here, click save and then head back. Now from here, we need to put in our channel name. So put in your channel name. Now from server, we can either leave it from list and then choose your server using a little drop down menu, or we can choose by URL or by ID. So go ahead and put in that channel that you'd like. And now once you've added that, your Discord icon will turn green. So if we go back here, that's going to be green and you're going to be connected to your Discord.